said on my last video, I was shorting from 58,000. That was hypothetically because I don't actually have any Bitcoin, but hypothetically, you can do these trades and then prepare yourself, guys. And like I said, it could be as real, like it's real if you say it's real. You know what I mean? So, make the most out of your trades. I don't trade often, but when I do, I try to make, like, I did that fake trade, so I didn't go right away and make another fake trade. You know what I mean? I'm waiting for a better trade right now, which is looking better. So I waited from 58, right? So let's say at 58, I shorted, which was around like this area, or like 57. Stop loss was at 50 or something like that. Looking for 30, but nonetheless, now that was just one trade, guys, and it's been a couple of days, so it's not like start firing away and then try to like, oh, we shorted because then you lose more money. You need to wait. So now we're waiting. It's a waiting game. So now we're waiting to see like how wick it's losing. It might be losing some buying pressure. So we'll see how that handles on the weekly. On the daily, it looks like, let's see, we're losing kind of like a little bit of momentum. We'll see how this goes. We're in an uptrend for about 2 weeks now. So 2 week uptrend. We'll see if we get a downtrend. If we break below 40K, then we might more than likely be on a bearish downtrend from there. And then, but yeah, but from here, I would make another short. Actually, let's do it, guys. Fuck it. Let's do it. So I'll put my stop loss at 64 because that was an all-time high. If it breaks the all-time high, then more than likely we'll do another all-time high and continue on a bullish trend to maybe the $100,000 region, 140,000. We'll see how that goes, guys. But we have to break that 64, that previous all-time high. So let's say potentially we were to make a short. Damn, bro. Fuck. Looks like there's a buying pressure right here, bro. We might get another pump. I don't know why, but I think these guys are gonna get, look. You see how it was going down on the RSI, yet over here on the chart, and then on the chart it was going up, but over here it was going down. So this is pretty bullish for me, guys. And then you gotta like work with it yourself. Try to see how the chart talks to you personally. Everybody's different. You might have better eye than me. You might make a better move than me. More than likely someone will make a better move than me, which is awesome, and then make some profits off you guys. Hopefully you can learn and I can learn more from your insights too, if you want to share with me, like whatever. But yeah, I wouldn't. This is the type of markets I would go on a swing trading, daily trading. It's still good. I mean, Bitcoin. There's a lot of good news in the market space coming out, but nonetheless, I think what's gonna happen once they already proved some ETF trading of Bitcoin, which is it's a large market. It's a very big market. So what happens is, like, if you're building all of this pressure up here, you're like building, it's accumulating all this pressure on Bitcoin right now. And then all of a sudden it's like cramming up in a room, right? Because it's crammed up in there because there's so many laws that prohibit it from escaping that room, right? So what's gonna happen when well, it's already happening. They're starting to unlock that door. They're starting to break down those freaking locks, trying to break Bitcoin out of that room and help it by putting it in a bigger room, right? So they're getting Bitcoin out of a hotel room, putting it in a penthouse right now. That's what they're doing. So when they open that door, it's gonna release all this pressure in the market, and a lot of people are gonna start taking profits. All right, they're gonna start taking profits because of this accumulation, depreciation. It's gonna deflate. So when that happens, you can see a lot like these prices drop. In my opinion, like I said, if we break 64 and then 65, then we're breaking the all-time high. Then more than likely theoretically we should have another all-time high. I don't know, but if we don't, I'm betting down, guys. I am betting down. So this would be my second trade. It's my second short try. All right. So let's say getting right here 62, and we put our stop loss at 60. 60, let's put it at 65. All right, guys, that's a pretty good short right there. We'll see how it goes. Your witness. We'll see how it goes. Take it on the chin if it's a loss, but nonetheless, look, it looks juicy. Looks juicy. One of the reasons why I think it might look is buying pressure, but at the same time, I don't know if there's buying pressure as well. So we might just have to wait on that a little bit more. Gold's looking pretty good as well. On the 4-hour, we can see here, and that's why I'm kind of like waiting on Bitcoin. But I think this is very similar to what might happen on Bitcoin with the RSI and CD. So you